How to treat wavy hair. Keep your hair moisture rich. If your hair is hydrated, you'll notice the difference. Wave goodbye to overstyling. Comb with your fingers. Embrace the finger twirl. Keep it cool. Pin it up. Baryal Glamour, a luxury skincare brand, beauty beyond the boundaries. Hi everyone, Baryal presents a luxury hair and skincare brand, Baryal Glamour. In our day-to-day life, it is very hard to take care of our skin, hair and face too, in such a busy schedule and high altitude of pollution and messed up life routine. We all need something easy, something